Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today I'm gonna tell you about head shave for girls. To achieve a smooth head shave, here are some tips. Prepare your hair. Trim your hair short before shaving to make the process easier. Use a quality razor. Invest in a good razor design for head shaving to avoid nicks and cuts. Shave in the shower. The steam and warm water will soften your hair and make shaving smoother. Apply shaving cream. Use a generous amount of shaving cream or gel to create a smooth surface for the razor. Shave in the direction of hair growth. Start by shaving in the direction your hair grows to reduce irritation. Take your time, don't rush the process, shave slowly and carefully to ensure a close and smooth shave. Moisturize after shaving. Once you have done, apply a soothing moisturizer or aftershave to hydrate your scalp. So viewers, let's end the video here. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.